Guys, so we always follow best practices for our project development and deployment. We always use any kind of methodology like iteration method or agile methodology for deployment tasks. In this dynamic 365, we usually deploy our tasks or development in a way of solution. So let us see how we can achieve that. We now need to go to settings, solutions. Okay, let me show you first. So in this solution you can see entities are the SQL Server tables which are creating during our development. It can be new or we can modify the existing one as well. Option set is like key and value collection that we can bind to a drop down list, or we can create a multi-set option that will I show later. Client extension which are created by the developer, we will cover this later. As of now I will cover the important aspects of this. Web resources are the custom HTML pages, JavaScript, CSS files are uploaded as a web resource. As you can see, there is already a web page. Can we see the processes? Here we can define multiple processes or workflow or action that can run in a background or on demand. Plugin and assemblies, these are the DLLs that we have developed custom for extensibility purpose. Dashboard usually used for reporting kind of purposes, so we will cover these also. Dialog box are maybe deprecated by Microsoft. We will also cover the reports parts also. Dynamics uses XML reports. We can also deploy model driven app. Security roles. So while deploying a solution, one more important thing need to be noticed is add require component. The table which we have included by default, which exist in Dynamics CRM, or we have created our new one, we need to include add require component. Because its in add require component feature includes the dependency of account table, so that when we export this solution and import this into a new environment, it will not throw any error and can be imported easily. Okay, let us start with the new solution. Whatever you can give it a name. For my purposes, I am giving it a okay. Where here we need to select a publisher. Publisher is also a most important factor that tracks the data modified during a specific time period. Okay, I left the configuration page as it is. Version, the usual method of maintaining a version is major, minor, build and revision. You can put any detail. Okay, let's save it. Once it gets saved, now we can proceed for our development task. We will cover everything step by step. So here, as of now, I am taking sign off for solution part.